A very pleasant good morning to all. I am Mukul from Sanskar Valley Public School in 8th class. Today I will tell you about periscope. Now the question is, what is periscope? A periscope is an optical instrument used in our daily lives. It is used in military and many other aspects. In this project, we will learn more facts about the periscope. A periscope uses two lenses, mirror and a prism to reflect the image through the tube. When the light from the distant object falls on the top mirror, it will be refracted by the 45-degree mirror to the bottom mirror at an angle of 90 degree. Then the viewer is able to see the distant object with the help of two reflection. The things needed to make a periscope are a cardboard, two flat mirrors, a glue or a tape. Let's see how to make a periscope. Firstly, we have to take a cardboard, two plain mirrors, a glue and a tape. And we have to cut cardboard in this shape, in this shape, in this shape and in this shape, so that this shape will fit here, this will fit here and this will fit here, and the width of all the shapes are equal. Then we have to take this shape and paste it here like this with the help of glue. And paste it here. Similarly, we have to take this shape and paste it here like this. This is the glue bottle. Like this, and paste it here. And hold this for 10 minutes. Then we have to take these two shapes and paste it here and here. And then these two shapes here and here. Then we have to take this plain mirror and put it here at an angle of 45 degree, and take this another mirror and put it here at an angle of 45 degree. Then we close our periscope with the help of this. Our periscope is ready. This is in the shape of tunnel. Then when the light from the distant object falls on the top mirror, it will be reflected by 45-degree mirror to the bottom mirror at an angle of 90 degree. Then the viewer is able to see the distant object by the help of two reflections. Let's see the working of periscope. As you can see, there is a marker in my hand and I am on the other side of the periscope, but you can see me with the help of periscope on the other side. As you can see the marker on the other side. So our periscope is ready. Now I will tell you some uses of a periscope. Periscope, an optical or viewing instrument, are used in submarine. It is also used in sea and land warfare as well as in militaries. So I hope you enjoy and understand this activity. Thank you.